3, 2, 1.
Hello, greetings to you guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. From wherever you're watching this video, please welcome to Notcoin apps and airdrops. Just in case this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel or my video on YouTube, please to click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell notification icon so you can always be the first to get update whenever I upload new airdrop video to this channel. Okay, today I'm going to be teaching us on how we can validate our Notcoin app on Telegram to that of your Binance. Now, when Notcoin started, a lot of you guys opened multiple accounts thinking you could beat the system, but I believe this is the best option which they tend to implement so that they can as well reduce those persons who are having multiple accounts. Now, it's a must for everyone in order for you to get your Notcoin to your wallet in the next few days according to the information. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching us on how we could link our account to our Binance. First of all, you have to open your Binance wallet. If you don't have that, you have to create that. Now, when you've done that, you validate it. You can use your NIN or you can use your international passport to do that, or your driver's license. Now, so what we do next, we come here to N on our Telegram app on Notcoin. When you click on N, it brings you to this N more coin. Now you scroll and you search. What you do, you have to swipe it to this side so that you can see that of Binance. So I've swiped. Now you can see here we have, it says sign up on Binance. So what I'll do, I'll click on it. Now it says Binance welcome bonus. So what I have to do next, I have to follow this instruction. Welcome to Binance. Follow Binance our channel and participate in other activities. Then here we have sign up on Binance. Then here says submit your Binance UID. So what I'll do, I'll click on this Binance community and I'll click on next. Now that one is ticked. Now the next thing I have to do, I'll follow our channel. Click on follow our channel. So I'll join Binance channel on Telegram. After I've done that, I'll go back to this Notcoin. I click on it again. Now just in case it exits, you go back to your app again and open that Notcoin and you continue the process just the same way we open it. Now I'll click on sign up on Binance and pass KYC verification. If you've done that, so I'll click on Chrome's. When it brings me to this page, what I have to do, I'll put my information here, my email address which I'm using. Then when I click on next, it would display this account already exists. So what I'll do, I'll navigate back to my Notcoin app. Now you can see sign up on Binance. That means my account is on Binance. Then the next thing I have to do, I have to submit my Binance UID. So I'll navigate to my Binance app. Now when you come to Binance app, you have a UID. So for us to get our UID, I'll have to navigate to this section of the wallet. I'll come to home. And when I come to home, I'll click on this place here, a yellow icon at the other left section. Now this is my UID. Now for you to copy your UID, you click on it. Now you click on copy. You copy this. This is your UID number which you copy. Now after which I have input my Telegram username and I have input my Binance UID, and the next thing I have to do, I'll click on submit. Now if you're asking how did you get your Telegram username, this is how you get your Telegram username. You come to where you have this place menu on your Telegram app, you click on it, then you come to setting. This is where we have setting, so you don't make a mistake. Then this is where you have your Telegram username. Please take note of that so that you do it carefully. And after I've done that, this is where I got it. So I'll come up here and paste it. Here I have input your Telegram username. After which I've done that, I will have to click on submit. It says Binance UID verification, your response has been recorded. So that is how you can validate your Notcoin account to your Binance account. So thank you guys for watching this video. If it's been helpful to you, do ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also you ensure to do this before it elapses. I learned it just 7 days and today is the sixth day, so you have to do it before it expires. Okay, do have a wonderful day. I remain your friend Desmond on Moneycoin apps and airdrops. Bye for now.